Have you ever wondered why your trading strategies seem perfect on paper but fail in practice? Or you just keep making the same mistake over and over again? Here's the truth: trading success isn't just about your analysis, it's about understanding yourself, and the best way to do is journaling. Most traders in India and around the world focus entirely on the technical charts, news updates, and market analysis, but they ignore the most critical component of trading: their own behavior. Think about it. How many times have you exited a trade too early because of fear, overtrade because of FOMO, or blame the market instead of reflecting on your own decisions? Without a proper trading journal, these patterns repeat endlessly. But here's the good news: by the end of this video, you will know how to create and use a trading journal to identify your weakness, improve your decision making, and boost your trading performance. Stay with me, this could change your trading journey forever. So, Namaste TSM family, welcome to the episode 12 of our 100 Day of Trading and Investing Mindset series. I'm your host Soubhagya Sahoo, and if you haven't checked out the previous episodes, make sure that you go and see where we have tackled the key topics like overcoming FOMO, handling losses, and building discipline. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification below, though that you never miss another mindset hack to level up your trading skills. And if you are enjoying this series, just give a thumbs up to this video to support this community. Okay, so how can a trading journal could improve your performance? Let me share some actionable steps backed by some real examples from the Indian stock market to help you create a journal that works for you. Step 1 is to record every trade. Like, start by noting down every trade you make. So this includes the stock name or the index name or the options you are doing. For example, TCS, Reliance, etc. as a stock name, your entry price and the exit price, the reason for entering the trade, and your emotions during the trade. Example: suppose that you bought Infosys share because you anticipated strong earnings. The trade didn't work out and you exited with a loss. Without journaling, you might forget why the trade even failed. But if you recorded that you exited early due to fear, you would realize like your issue wasn't just the analysis, it was more about the emotional management. Okay. Step 2 is to analyze the patterns. Over time, your journal will reveal patterns in your trading behavior, and it is one of the most important aspect. Like, are you cutting your winners too early? Are you holding on to the losing trades, hoping they will recover? Or are you trading impulsively after a loss? So think of your journal as a mirror. Like, just look at the mirror. In a mirror, it helps you adjust your appearance. Reviewing your journal helps you adjust your trading behavior. Got it? Step 3 is to identify strengths and weakness. A journal, like a trading journal, isn't just about spotting mistakes. It's also about recognizing what works for you. For example, you might notice that you are more successful with the swing trades in mid cap stocks like Tata Motors compared to intraday trades in the volatile stocks like Adani or any other index X. Okay. So the actionable tip over here would be: focus on your strength, reduce trades in the area you struggle. So only focus on your winning areas. Okay. Step 4 is to create an improvement plan. Like, you use your journal to set specific goals. For example, I will stick to my I will stop loss labels no matter what happens or the price of the market goes on. Okay. And I will avoid trading based on any WhatsApp tips or any Telegram tips or out of any FOMO. So the real example I could say, for example, say Rohan, a retail trader from Mumbai, noticed through his journal that he overtraded after losing trades. By setting a rule to take a break after two consecutive losses, he reduces his losses and improved his performance. Okay. Step number 5 is to review regularly. Set aside a specific time, like each week, to review your journal. Reflect on what you have learned and how you can improve. For example, if you find that most of your profitable trades are from any particular sector or from any particular index, like for example, if you are doing option trading, if Nifty is better than Bank Nifty, stick to that. or any particular sectors you are trading like IT, FMCG, you might decide to focus more on those areas, those instruments, instead of diversifying unnecessarily. Okay, so now let's just recap and take all the key takeaway from the learnings we have done. Number one, record every trade, including your reasons and emotions. Number two, analyze patterns to identify recurring mistakes. Number three, highlight your strengths and weakness. Number four, set improvement goals based on your insights. Last but not the least, the number five, review your journal regularly to track your progress. So, a trading journal is just like your personal coach. It keeps you accountable, helps you learn, and guides you towards your better decision making. So let me share this one, or I will ask you, like, have you ever used any trading journal yet? If yes, what insights have you gained from it? If not, what's stopping you from starting one? Share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll love to hear your experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share with your trading friends, and subscribe to this channel for more actionable insights. And hey, don't forget to check our earlier episodes of this series to build a rock solid trading mindset. So at TSM, again, I'm saying we are not just traders or investors, we are a community. We are all like a family. Together, we are mastering the art of trading and investing, but one step at a time. A trading journal is not just a tool, it's a path to self discovery and growth. By using it, you are like taking control of your trading journey and building habits that leads to your financial freedom. And nevertheless, to say, join our TSM Hub community to connect with the like minded traders and learn from each other's experience. Let's achieve financial freedom together. Thank you. Have a great day. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button, share with your friends who are struggling in the stock market, and leave a comment down below about your biggest trading challenge. I'd love to help you tackle those in the future videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more game changing contents. Okay, so remember, the stock market is a journey, not a sprint. It's not about how fast you make money, it's about how consistently you grow your wealth. As a part of TSM Hub community, you are never alone in this journey. Together, we'll master the art of trading and investing at a time. Until next time, keep learning, stay disciplined, and let's build that financial freedom together. So see you soon in the next video, and have a great day. Thank you.